Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automatic window cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hobot 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot. First up on our list, we have a cleaner from Hobot. This mechanic window cleaner uses AI technology S2.1 and has an embedded UPS. It can be controlled by your smartphone or remote, for changing the cleaning modes. With its ultrasonic water spray nozzle, from replaceable water tank, and high-quality microfiber cloth, the Hobot 298 is designed to wash away all the dirt and polish from your windows, leaving them all shiny and squeaky. It can clean windows as small as 15 inches x 15 inches, approximately 38 centimeters x 38 centimeters, and as thick as 3 millimeters, approximately 0.11 inches, or more, plus it will also automatically stops when it finishes its work. It's got an anti-falling control, where it will go back or turn away when it reaches the edge of the window. Additionally, while on, the motor emits low noise and has a long life. You do not have to worry about spending more money on getting a replacement so soon. Its cleaning speed is 2.4 minutes per square meter, consumes 72 W, an input of 100 volts to 240 volts AC, 50 Hz to 60 Hz, and weighs 2.8 pounds, approximately 1.27 kilograms. Please note that this product will only function when attached to its power cord and also has a high-strength safety rope 150 kgf, and buckle. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hobot 198 Glass and Window Cleaning Automatic Robot with Remote Control. Next, we have another product from Hobot. This is the Hobot 198 and it is smaller than the previous product. Just like the other one, this one also uses AI technology, V2.1, allowing it to be controlled via a smartphone or a remote. It uses a strong vacuum engine to keep itself stuck on any vertical surface, like your window, wall, tiles, etc. This device can clean surfaces from 13 inches x 13 inches, approximately 33 centimeters x 33 centimeters, with its microfiber cloth, has the rotational speed of 70 RPM, and cleaning speed of 4 minutes per square meter. Moreover, it is designed to clean glasses of all thickness, from 0.11 inches, approximately 3 millimeters, above. It has an embedded UPS and all the AI functions such as detecting the edges of the windows, auto-off after cleaning completion, anti-falling algorithm, sensitive pressure sensor and a 3 kinds of modes. This device consumes 80 W, 100 V to 240 volts AV, 50 Hz to 60 Hz and weighs 2 pounds, approximately 0.9 kilograms, has a safety rope, 150 kgf, and a buckle, and only turns in with its power cord. At number 3, we have the Mamibot W120 Robotic Frame Window Glass Cleaner Stronger Suction 3000 Pascals Vacuum Cleaning Automatic Robotic. The Mamibot W120 is a smart cleaning agent. It can be controlled via its remote or the phone application, available on both iOS and Android. It is ideal for all smooth surfaces uses, both framed and frameless. It can detect when it reaches the edge of the surface and turns in a different direction with its anti-falling AI technology. This device is both strong and quiet, with noise emission of below 65 Hz, and a suction power of 3000 Pa. Furthermore, it also has a built-in battery for emergency uses, which holds 650 mAh. Please note that due to aviation restrictions, the package excludes cleaning solution. At number 2, we have the Gladwell Gecko Robot Window Cleaner, Smart Glass Cleaning Robotic. Gladwell Gecko Robot Cleaner, in our opinion, is pretty cool. Its exterior appearance looks really high-tech and it really is high-tech. It can be used both indoor and outdoor, on the floor and upside down on the ceiling. Its AI technology allows it to be controlled via both remote and phone application. Furthermore, it smartly sets its own route before cleaning and will return back to its own station. The gecko can detect edges and smartly avoids falling off or bumping. It uses a strong suction power, allowing it to literally stick to vertical surfaces like a gecko. It reaches the corner that's hard for you to reach, and its high-grade microfiber pads are washable as well. Gladwell offers a 1-year warranty for this product. And finally at number 1, we have the Ecovacs WinBotX Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. Another high-tech looking cleaning bot is Ecovacs WinBotX. This cleaning machine looks like it belongs in some sci-fi movie with its all-white, smooth and minimalistic exterior. This model, the W850, is one of Ecovacs' smallest cleaning bot among the WinBot series. It can clean small windows of 18 inches x 26 inches, approximately 45 centimeters x 65 centimeters, and bigger. This device's AI technology allows it to be equipped with an advanced cleaning system and safety mechanisms. It uses a high-speed fan motor, with strong suction, giving it better stability while cleaning away your windows or smooth surfaces. You can use this bot on both framed and frameless window, as its technology can detect edges. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.